Okay, so just a quick video to go through question 10 from 3L, just sort of a few people have asked me. So these simultaneous equations with worded problems, you really have to make sure you're defining your variables. So the first thing I want to do is say that B is equal to the boy's age, and S I'm going to say is the sister's age. Sister's age. Get my grammar fixed there. A boy is 6 years older than his sister. In 3 years' time, he'll be twice her age. What are their present ages? So the first equation I can write is I can say a boy is 6 years older than his sister. So that's an equation I can write. Now I've got to think carefully about it, the way I write it, to make sure it's true. Okay, so a boy is equal to, the boy's age is equal to the sister's age plus 6 is one thing I could write. And let's just ask ourselves, is this true? The boy's age is equal to the sister's age plus 6. If I add 6 years to the sister's age, I get the boy's age. A boy is 6 years older than, so that's true to me. You got to be careful when you're writing equations like this and just test out the logic. Talk through it and make sure that it's true in your, like, according to the words. This would be incorrect. If boy's age plus 6 is equal to the sister's age, that would be a common mistake that I would make, okay, when I'm not thinking it through. The boy's age plus 6 is not equal to the sister's age. Okay, so it's not what we want. Our second equation. Okay, let's think through this. In 3 years' time, he'll be twice her age. What are their present ages? So the boy's age plus 3 is equal to the sister's age plus 3. That's true. Okay, in 3 years' time, if I'm adding 3 onto both their ages, that's true. He'll be twice her age though. So his age is equal to twice that in 3 years' time. Okay, so if you add 3 on, he'll be double what she is. Okay, and that's true. If in 3 years' time, add 3 years to both their ages, he's going to be twice the size of her in terms of his age. Okay, so now we just need to do a little bit of algebra. I'll expand these brackets here. So b plus 3 is equal to 2s plus 6. Take 3 from here and bring it over there. So we'll get b is equal to 2s plus 3. Okay, so we'll call that my equation 3. And you can see that I've got b is equal to in both 1 and 3, so I can just do this. I can say 1 is equal to 3. Okay, the b's are equal to each other. So s plus 6 is equal to 2s plus 3. Okay, take s from this side, and that cancels out. You get 6 is equal to s plus 3. Subtract 3 from both sides, you get 3 is equal to s. So the sister is 3 years old. Okay. Okay, b is equal to s plus 6. b will be equal to 3 plus 6. b is equal to 9. Okay. And I must admit, it took me about 5 minutes to walk through this before I went through this, because the mistake I made was I didn't add 3 to this side and this side. Okay, they're both the same sides, and I was coming up with the wrong answer every time. I had this. B is equal to 2s plus 3, and that's incorrect. Okay, because you've got to add 3 to both sides in 3 years' time. Okay, second question. A chocolate thick shake costs $2 more than a fruit smoothie. Jack pays $27 for 3 chocolate thick shakes and 4 fruit smoothies. How much does a chocolate thick shake and a fruit smoothie cost each? Okay, so we'll say C is the cost of choc shake. F is the cost of fruit smoothie. And what do we know? Chocolate thick shake costs $2 more than a fruit smoothie. So how would I write that down? I would say that C is equal to F plus 2. Okay, that's my first equation. The cost of a chocolate thick shake is equal to the cost of a fruit smoothie plus 2. The second equation will be 3 times the cost of the chocolate thick shake and 4 times the cost of a fruit smoothie costs $27. So I can say 3C plus 4F is equal to 27. Okay. And when you've got a situation like this, I've got 2 equations. I could solve it by algebraically. I could say sub 1 into 2, sub 1 into 2, and that will give me 3 times f plus 2 plus 4f is equal to 27. Okay, expand this. You get 3f plus 6 plus 4f is equal to 27. 7f plus 6 is equal to 27. 7f is equal to, we're going to take 6 from both sides, you get 21. F is equal to $3. Okay, if f's equal to $3, then C is equal to f plus 2, C is equal to $5. Okay, so I did that one quite quickly, but you could use a CAS and do it even quicker just by typing in the equations.